Bangkok has so many hotels, but I chose this one because it's right next to the BTS SkyTrain. When I walk in, the hotel feels quiet and clean. The lobby looks modern and the staff are friendly. It gave me a good first feeling. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tropical Girl Journey. Today I'm at the hotel called Mode Sathorn Hotel in Bangkok, so let's take a look at the hotel together. When I open the door, I say wow, the room is big, clean, and the view of the city is beautiful. I always take a bath when I stay at the hotel, but this one feels so special because it's the beautiful view of the sea. I really love it. This room is also smart. I can use the screen to control all the lights. It's easy and fun. There's also a small fridge. I always enjoy a cup of coffee or tea in the morning before I go out. Now this pool is on the rooftop and it feels so peaceful. Even with the city below, it's calm up here. The view is amazing, especially in the evening. If you like to work out, they also have a gym. It's on the same floor as the swimming pool. I really like this hotel. It's beautiful, quiet, and close to everything. It's not too expensive, but it feels a little luxury. Thank you for watching and coming with me on another Tropical Girl journey. If you like hotels, cafe, and travel, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.